This video is to provide information to Texas tenants concerning residential leases and COVID-19. I am Dionne Banks, your Houston area realtor, real estate investor, and I wanted to share some questions answered by the Texas Association of Realtors during this time. So the first question is, do I still need to pay my rent during this COVID-19 pandemic? And the answer to that is yes, you are still obligated to pay your rent according to your lease terms. But what should you do if you're unable to pay your rent? And if that is your situation, if you're not able to pay your rent at this time, please communicate that immediately to your property manager or to your landlord. And they understand what the situation is right now, and so they may be open to setting up payment arrangements, giving you a waiver, or giving you a rental forbearance, especially if the hardship is due to COVID-19. So we're hoping that they're flexible, but the reality of the situation is that they're not obligated to work with you to get your rent paid, right? So what I can say about that is that you'll have to make the best decision that's for you, your family and your current situation. So, okay, can I be evicted if I don't pay my rent during this time? So some courts are still accepting new eviction filings, but the Texas Supreme Court has generally suspended all proceedings and deadlines for residential evictions through April 19th. Also, writs of possession is a court order allowing a sheriff to seize the property and return it to the landlord. Writs of possession may be issued but not posted or executed through April 26th. So the exception to this is if it's a situation involving domestic violence or criminal activity. All right, so can I terminate my executed lease due to COVID-19? And the answer to that is no, not at this time. There's not currently a law in place that allows for that. You can always check with an attorney if you have one, but stay tuned, and we'll see. Things are rapidly changing. All right, so I will address late fees and the CARES Act under a separate video. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys, please stay safe and be smart and use your intuition. All right, take care.